Welcome back to my class. So today we do superscribe, the second superscribe, lango, lago, superscribe lango, super, superscribe lango, superscribe lango. So superscribe lango, there are three superscribes. The first one, rango, we did earlier. Today we do lango, la-go. So, superscribe is added on top of a consonant. So, la, ka, tak, ka. La, ka, tak is superscribe. La is added to consonant ka. La, ka, tak. La, ka, tak is to be pronounced as ka, as we did last time. Ra, ka, ta, ka. La, ka, ta, ka. La, ka, ta, ka. No change in pronunciation. La, ka, ta, ka. Ka. La, superscript la added on top of consonant nga. La, nga, tak, nga. La, nga, tak, nga. Nga. La, nga, tak, nga. La, nga, tak, nga. La, nga, tak, nga. Nga, 5, chik, ni, sum, si, nga, 5. La, nga, tak, nga. La, la, cha, ta, cha. La, cha, tak, cha. La, cha, tak, cha. La, cha, ta, cha. Cha, cha, ja. La, jatak, ja. La, jatak, ja. La, kataka, la, chatacha, la, jatak, ja. La, jatak, ja. La, ta. La, ta, tak, ta. La, ta, tak, ta. La, ta, tak, ta. La, ta, tak, ta. So last time we did ra, ta ta ta. Ra ta 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 is a horse or horses, and la ta 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 is la ta 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 is to watch, to look, to watch, but not to see. To look, to watch, ta. La ta ta ta. Ta. La ta ta ta. La ta ta ta. La ta ta da. La ta ta da. La ka ta ka. La cha ta cha. La ja ta ja. La ta ta ta. La da ta da. So here we have superscript la on top of consonant ha. In such case, we have to pronounce both the superscript and the consonant. So la, ha tak, ha. You pronounce la and ha all at the same time. La, ha tak, ha, ha, ha. If I were to write it in English, I would write LHA, ha, ha. La, ha tak, ha. You have to pronounce both the superscript and the consonant at the same time. La, ha tak, ha. Ha means God. Ha. La, ha tak, ha. God. Ha. La ta la, ma naru mo, hamo. Ha is God, hamo is goddess, goddess. Ha, God, hamo, goddess, hamo. So again, what do we see here? So if the superscript la is added on a consonant which is in the fourth column, it should be high pitched. La, nga tak, la, nga tak, nga. As we did earlier. So if we add superscript la on top of consonant in the first column, in the second column, and in the third column, it doesn't make any difference in the pronunciation. But if it is added on top of a consonant in the fourth column, then the tone will be raised. La, nga tak, nga. And with the superscript la, we have one exception, that is la, superscript la added to consonant ha. In that case, we have to pronounce both la and ha at the same time. Ha, ha. La talha, manarumo, hamo. Now, if we are to add a vowel to one of these, how do we read this? So, we start from the superscript. From superscript to consonant, from consonant, if there is subjuncte, you have to do the subjuncte first and then the vowel beneath it. But here we don't see any subjuncte here. So, la, kata, ka, ka, shabju, ku. La, kata, ka, shabju, ku. La, kata, ka, shabju, ku. La, kata, ka, shabju, ku. But if we have vowel narrow here, then the rule is you can never start spelling a word from the vowel. The vowel should be added at the end. So, la, kata, ka. First la, then ka. La, kata, ka, naru, ko. You can never start pronouncing from vowel. You must start from the superscript if there is. If there is not, start from consonant. La, kata, ka, naru, ko. So what do we see here? We see vowel dengbo. Beneath it, superscript la. And below it we see cha. So how do we spell it? We can never start from vowel. We must start from the superscript if there is one. La, cha tak cha. Cha, dengbo che. La, cha ta cha, cha, dengbo che. La, cha ta cha, cha, dengbo che. Come to the vowel after you finish spelling all this. Superscript, consonant, then come to the vowel. Sometimes a vowel is on top of superscript, sometimes it is beneath subjoint or consonant. Okay, then we see a vowel kiku, superscript la, consonant ja. How do we spell it? We can never start from the vowel. We must start from the superscript. La, jatak, ja. Ja, giku, ji. La, jatak, ja. Ja, kiku, ji. La, jatak, ja. Ja, kiku, ji. start from the superscript. After that you go to consonant. After the consonant go to the vowel. La ta 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 denbo te. La ta 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 denbo te. La da ta da. Da naru do. La da ta da naru do. So we can put it this way. If superscript la is added on top of a consonant in the first column or in the second column or in the third column, it doesn't make any difference in the pronunciation. It doesn't make any difference in the pronunciation. But if it is added on top of a consonant which is in the fourth column, then the superscript will raise the tone of the consonant. La ngatak nga. La ngatak nga. And there's one exception with the superscript la. If superscript la is added on consonant ha, in that case you have to pronounce the superscript la and consonant ha all at the same time. Ha, 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 ha is God. God. G-O-D, God. G-O-D, God. This God. Basically, small letter G, G-O-D, God, stands for worldly God, right? So, Lahatallah, worldly God. And we also use this word for deities. La. So in brief, if superscript la is added on any consonant in the fourth column, the superscript la will raise the tone of the consonant. If la is added on consonant ha, you have to pronounce both la and ha at the same time. Ha. And then if you see vowel, you can never start from spelling a word from the vowel. The vowel should be added at the end. So la, kata, ka, and then come to vowel. La, kata, ka, naroko. La, chata, cha, come back to the vowel. La, chata, cha, denpoche. La, chata, ja, then go back to vowel. La, chata, ja, kikuchi. La, data, da, naroto. La, tata, ta, denpote. This is fixed rule. You can never start spelling a word from vowel. You can never do this. You should come to the vowel at the end. La, cha, cha, dingboche. So I hope you enjoyed the class, and hopefully we will see tomorrow. Have a good day.